Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Charmatter, and we are back today bringing you more Unbroken Bonds packs. Now, I bought 12, not 5, not 10, but 12 Unbroken Bonds booster packs. We are going to see just how lucky we get today. So, if you guys are in it for the long haul with me here, welcome, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's see what we get today. I'm super excited. How are you guys doing today? I am having a very rough day, but I have a feeling that maybe, just maybe, with these packs, I can turn my day upside down. There's the code card for you guys. And we will get into this first pack. I have a Dark Energy, a Tentacruel, Ultra Forest, a Dusk Stone, a Venonat, Rattata, a Goldeen, a Duramaka, a Sandile is our... No, that is not my reverse. I am jumping the gun here. Porygon is our reverse non-rare. And we get a Butterfree. Okay. We'll take that. We'll take a Butterfree. I'm getting into this next one real quick. I will try to speed up opening just so this video doesn't drag out dramatically long, but that is for you guys. If you guys are interested in the code cards, if you'd like, hit that notification bell. Every time I upload a video, I will definitely be giving you guys the code cards. I give them away on my Twitter all the time, so if you're interested, you could always follow me on my Twitter. I'll see if I could put the link to my Twitter in the description. Not sure what I can or can't do on YouTube yet, so we are learning. Beastbringer, Sparrow, learning to fly, Lickitung, learning to lick, Litten, learning to get lit, Tangela, reverse is a Crabrawler, and our rare. An Arbok. I think that is the first time I have pulled an Arbok. I'm sure a lot of you guys have pulled Arbok so many times. I actually have not pulled him, not a once, till now. So, let's see what we get. See if we can get a holographic or an ultra rare. That would be just awesome at this point. My day could certainly use it. How is your guys' day going today? If you guys are having a good Wednesday, I'm very happy for you. My day could be much better, and that is why we are here. I'm here to have some fun, enjoy my time opening up some Pokemon cards for you guys. I think my voice just squealed, huh? Just like that. Once again, my nerves are getting the best of me because I'm on camera. But I'm here for you guys. For you guys. And another non-holographic rare card. Where are all the ultra rares? You guys are taking them all and opening them up on your channels to where I can't even get one. Code for you. And we have another Fairy Energy. Cleffa, Giovanni's Exile, Graveler, Seal, Gligar, Misdrevious, Glameow, Growlithe, Poliwag is our reverse, and our rare is a Meowstic. Welcome to the party, Meowstic. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you guys are enjoying the video, please leave a like. It really helps me out. If you guys want to support me, please subscribe. That always helps me out. I will definitely continue to bring you guys more videos. Fire Energy. Love it. Haunter. Cleffa. Happiny. Cubone. Riolu. Porygon. Inkay. Caterpie. Oh, I'm going off track here. Litten. And an Arbok. Wow. Haven't pulled them ever. And now I got two. Lucky me. Lucky you. Come on, Lucario and Melmetal. Bring us some luck here. There's a code card for you guys. Here we are. What do we have? Dark Energy. Happiny. Welder. Very nice. Hunter. Rattata. Goldeen. Duramaka. Sandile. I'm off screen again. Slowpoke is our reverse and our rare. Sharpedo non-holographic. Alright, I think that's halfway through it already. 6 more to go. Where are those ultra rare pulls, guys? Hopefully you guys are getting better luck than I am in your pulls. I know plenty of people are pulling the card I almost dare not to speak of at this point, that Charizard and Reshiram Rainbow Rare. I think that is what we are all trying to get. And for you guys, I wish you good luck. Surprise box. Torcat. That's a fidget spinner. That is definitely a fidget spinner. Ghastly. Carvana. Togepi. Esper. Squirtle taking a bath. Ghastly is our reverse and our rare. It's a Raichu non-holographic. What is with all these non-holographics today? I must have grabbed probably the worst packs in Target today. Shout out to Leonhardt for his helpful deals on where to get Pokemon cards. He is very helpful, definitely one of my favorite YouTubers. So yes, shout out to him. Psychic Energy, speaking of Leonhardt, there you go, buddy. Togetic. Fairy Charm. Krokorok. Esper. Porygon. Duramaka. Caterpie. Cottonee. Salandit. And Crocodile is our non-holographic rare. Guys, that's 8 packs. Charizard, Reshiram. Bring us some luck, please. Please, Gardevoir, Sylveon. Can you guys bring us some luck today, please? There is the code card for you guys. I will fix the cards. Dark Energy. I'm not liking these dark energies. Haunter. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. Electromagnetic Radar. Ekans. Carvana. Litten. Clefairy. Seal. Porygon 2 is our reverse. And can we get some magic? Mewtwo non-holographic. This is it, guys. This is all I got left. 3 booster packs. Not one holo. Not one ultra rare. If you guys can give me a like on this video, just for my pure sadness in this opening, I would much appreciate it. If you guys are enjoying the video, put a like on it as well. I'm doing the best I can here, guys. The pulls are not being good to me. Hopefully they're being much, much better for you guys. I get lucky once in a blue moon. And if you guys know blue moons, they don't come around often. So hopefully today I can bring you guys some beautiful Pokemon magic after this complete epic fail of an opening I have here. Ultra Forest, Metapod, Torcat, Wooper, Cottonee, Venonat, Meowth, Geodude, Litten, and our rare, Dugong. Yay! Yay! Yay for me! Yay for you! Alright. 2 left. Can I get some second to last pack magic from Charizard and Reshiram? Please, boys. Please. Please. Alright. Second to last code card. Alrighty, guys. Steel Energy. Chip, Ice Axe, Tyrogue, Janine, Clefairy, Poliwag, Ekans, Drowsy, Pikachu, Wooper, and our rare. You guys gotta be feeling for me here. This is the last pack. Please, can we get some good luck out of this last pack? Can you guys say last pack magic for me? Please. Either that or this whole opening is a wash. Last pack, guys. Last pack. There is your code. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Fighting Energy. Green's Exploration. Tyrogue. Happiny. Slowpoke. Wooper. Sandile. Meowth. Grubbin. Wartortle is our reverse. And our final card for this opening. Yeah. You guys, if you enjoyed the video, you guys stuck it out with me, please leave it a like. Please subscribe. It really helps me out. I really enjoyed opening these cards. Even though we didn't get super lucky today, there's always next time. Guys, thank you for joining me. Stay fired up. I'm sorry for that pause. Stay fired up. Have a great night, guys. See you next time.